Hey guys, I'm going to show y'all how to create an event on the Gmail calendar. First off, I would press create in the top left right here, and I'll just press event. As always, I like to stick with UL basketball right now as it's in season. So from here, I'll type UL basketball. This would be the name of the title of the event. I can put the task, put a description, like reminding friends about the game to see if they want to come. I can change the date and time right here. I can put a reminder for the day of or not to repeat, and put a time for when I want the reminder to ring for me. Uh, that's a premium item. I don't pay for that. I can put a location right here, so it'll be at the Cajun Dome. That's our home turf. Ta-da. It's gonna put the address and all that right there. I can put more description, attachments, stuff like that. And then from right here, this is gonna be my reminder, who's it visible to, if I'm free or busy, and who it would go to. And I can put if I share a calendar with my friends, I can put their names right here, and it will be added to their calendar. And yeah, that's it.